I'm going to show you how to get paid every single month using zero data expiration strategies. In the last video, I showed you a strategy that had a lower win rate, but a really nice average trade P&L, average trade P&L. In this video, we're going to look at something with a slightly lower average trade P&L, but a much higher win rate. So you're going to win way more and your profits are going to be way more consistent. So SPX, as always, we're going to go straight into it. Zero data expiration. And you want to go out to around a 20 delta or around the edge of the expected move. So we'll go to here, 20 delta, just on the edge of the expected move. On the call side, we'll do the same thing on the put side. We can be a little bit more aggressive on the put side. I prefer to use the expected move as opposed to the delta, but they should line up roughly, give or take. Market's just moved a little bit, so we can rebalance that. And then you want to sell wings that are about $20 wide. So we're going to go to here and here. So we sold wings $20 wide on either side. You can make the wings narrower if you wanted to, but $20 works quite well. The further, the wider your wings are, the higher your P&L will be. You know, sort of 10 wings is a little bit short. You can do, 10 wings. $10 wide is a little bit too small. You can do it if you want to, but you want to kind of be around this $20 mark. Maybe use the previous strategy to build up your account if you need to get up to that point. Basically, this is the exact strategy, okay? So you're actually going to win a lot of the time. Now, your pop's super high right now because implied volatility is all over the place. It is contracting at the moment. Everything's just dropped, but your actual win rate is going to be around 90% doing this. You are, of course, going to take profit at 25% of max profit, which is this number here. So 25% of this, you're going to take your profit. Your pop is super high right now. Obviously, we've just got into that, but your actual proper win rate, you know, when the market's not crazy like what it is now, and you know, assuming you're going to do this consistently, it's going to be around 90%. Just a little bit over 90%. So you're going to collect 700 up front. Your broker's going to use 1.2 or just under 1.3 in buy power to open this position. And you know, you want to put this trade on. Same thing as always. You want to put this trade on at the market open. Okay. I sometimes like to wait 10-15 minutes after the market opens to put the trade on. But basically, at the market open, you want to put this on. Get out at 25%. And that's basically it. That's all you've got to do, right? Okay. So with that being said, you need to keep your buy power in check. To do that, use our free position sizing template. Link for this is in the description. You enter the size of your portfolio, you enter in whatever the VIX is, and everything is going to be calculated for you. In this instance, this is obviously an example of a defined risk position. 1.2k in buy power is required. This is the defined risk position here. 1.2k is too much because the maximum we can allocate is 500. So we have two options: either do another strategy, add more money to our account, or we can shorten up the wings a little bit. You know, and you know, now our buy power requirement is much more within the ballpark range. Now we're going to collect 400 up front, and we're going to use 600 in buy power. So this is how you can kind of play and manipulate the position. If you do want to learn in more detail, click on EDS Premium. Get yourself signed up. You will have access to this portfolio I showed you an example of in the video. There'll be a full course, and it's a private community. So if you get stuck, you're not on your own. It's a 100% money back guarantee as well. So after 6 months, once you've been through the course, follow some of our trades. If you haven't been profitable, then we will work with you for free until you are, or you can request a full refund. So it is completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join. The price will be increasing, but once you're in, it's locked in. So you are rewarded for getting in early. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the inside.